Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am so excited to be partnering with Moitie Cosmetics to show you their amazing lashes and magic stick eyeliner. This is such a cool system and a beautiful system. So here is the box that I received. You may have seen this in a previous PR unboxing video. It was such a beautiful package and such a beautiful unboxing experience, and I got so many goodies in here. You may have been seeing my new mirror in all of my videos that I love, my Moitie Cosmetics Light Up Mirror. Here's how it lights up, if you can see. I love this mirror. I've been wanting a light up compact for so long, so I was so excited to get that. But then I got such beautiful lashes. And so in this bag here, I have the Magic Stick eyeliner. It comes in black and clear, which is really cool because this isn't magnetic eyeliner like I've seen before and tried before. Therefore, it also comes in clear, which I love because I really like an invisible lash and lash bands, and that's what I get with these lashes. I also have this beautiful lash applicator, and the compact also comes in black, which is so great. Now I have one for my filming station and for on the go. And then here are the lashes. And these are unlike any other lashes I've tried before, and they seem better than any other lashes I've tried before. Well, oh my gosh, first of all, look at how amazing this packaging is. It's magnetic, it has the mirror, but what I'm so intrigued about is that it has 5 segments. I have never put on a false lash that has segments like this. I've also never been able to do a clear lash eyeliner before. So it's not glue, it's a clear eyeliner. So just wait until I get into the application and it'll be so fun to try. Look at the different lashes. You've got bold, you've got natural, and you've got a little in between. And I love that it comes with 3 pairs per pack. I think I'm gonna go with the in between, so they're a little bit thicker, a little bit longer, and they are really calling my name. So these ones are called Light Glam. The natural ones are called Natural, and then the Full Glam are these ones here. So the 3-pack of lashes retails for $24 each for the 3-pack. These Magic Stick eyeliners retail for $24 each. And the lash applicator that I'm going to use is $17.99. Oh, and you can even purchase my favorite Light Up Compact on the Moitie website, and this is $17.99. All right, and so I want to swatch both of the eyeliners. First, I'm going in with the black one here. I love that it's a felt tip type of pen, and oh my gosh, that writes so nicely. Full black color, very easy to use. And then the clear one, I'm just really curious how this is as well. Ooh, yeah, perfectly clear. Also super easy and precise to apply. For the fun of it, I'm gonna go in with the black eyeliner for today's look. I think just because I don't have any eyeshadow on, I want to do the black eyeliner to add a little something to my eye look today. But if I had, you know, like a colorful eyeshadow look and I didn't want to add any black eyeliner to it, the clear is a perfect option. So here are how those swatches look. I don't even know if you can see the clear, which is good. It's supposed to be clear. So now, going in with the black eyeliner, I'm going to line my upper lash line. Oh, so easy to use. You can get right onto the lower lash line, and it comes out super pigmented. It's not a dry eyeliner at all. And I'm picky about my black liquid eyeliners, but this one is really great. Even if I wasn't applying lashes, I would still love to use this as a black liquid eyeliner. So quick and easy to apply. So before I apply the lashes, I'll do a zoomed in view so you can really see how that eyeliner looks. It's a really great full black color. And now I'm gonna pick up my lashes, and like I said, it's in 5 segments. So I'm gonna peel off the outer segment first. And I love that it comes off easily. It's not stuck too hard onto the packaging. And I'm just going to place that right on. Oh my gosh, that sticks so easily. Stick that right onto that outer corner. Oh my gosh, that is super strong adhesive, but it's so gentle. All right, and then I'm just gonna squeeze my natural lashes to the falsies. All right, that was so easy. And so I'm working from the outer corner towards the inner corner, and I'm picking up the next piece here, and I'm gonna place that right on the liner, and then just squeeze the lashes together. I feel like this is already looking more natural than the other false lashes that come in a full strip, because you can get it to curve exactly with your eye because of the segments. And next segment. If you've seen my videos, you know I always end up using my fingers to apply my false lashes. That tool works fine, but I feel like I'm so much faster when I use my fingers. And it seriously is so well secured on the eyeliner. Like, it's like magic glue. Next segment. And another really great thing about the segmented lashes like this is that they stick on so securely, so I don't have to worry about it coming up on the edge. Like if I'm trying to push down the outer corner, I don't have to worry about the front lifting up because they're just these small, easy to apply segments. Ooh, and these lashes are so soft and full and long and pretty and super comfortable on the eye. I'm amazed by how light they are. Like, it really doesn't even feel like I have lashes on, but clearly I do because they look so long and full and beautiful. All right, so look at that beautiful difference. I'm gonna see if I even need this last section at the very front of my lashes. Yeah, I think I'm actually going to leave the last section because my lashes don't go all the way into the corner here. So 4 sections is the perfect size for my eyes. Okay, I'm very excited about this. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye. So first I'm going to line them. I can't get over how much I love this eyeliner. They seriously made an amazing black eyeliner. And then the fact that it also makes the lashes stick to it is just unbelievably amazing. And it doesn't feel any different on my eye than any other eyeliner I've used before. It feels like the same texture, the same weight. There's no feeling to the eyeliner at all. So I'm just picking up the outer section. And it's so easy, since it sticks on so well, to get it right on top of my natural lashes. Stick it right on. And even though I'm applying it section by section, I feel like this is faster than regular lashes since it's so quick and easy to apply each piece. I also just wanted to show you the lash and that beautiful curl that it has. I can't believe this isn't magnetic. The lashes just grip onto it so easily. And I've also never gotten lashes that had the mirror in the package. Makes it so travel friendly. All right, my lashes are on, and let me tell you, they are secure. Just pinching them to my natural lashes, but let's see. If I pull on them, yeah, look at, I'm pulling on them and they are completely stuck on. I feel like they're more secure than the lash glue I use. And they're so pretty and they're so comfortable. I keep saying that, but I love segmented lashes. I can't believe I was using full lash strips. That is just not the way to go. This is just so comfortable, so customizable. And my biggest pet peeve about the lashes that are the full strip is when one end comes up, and that does not happen at all. Like, I feel like this is the most secure type of lash to wear. But speaking of secure, this has some high claims. Waterproof, windproof. So I want to test that out. I actually have my fan right here, my giant fan that I use whenever I'm drying my face after a setting spray. So let's see if the lashes stay on. You can see my hair blowing, but are my lashes blowing off? Are they staying on? Let's see. Let's test if any of those lashes moved. Nothing. Wow. Those survived that wind test. Ooh, I am so impressed. I hate the feeling of going out when it's windy and it feels like my eyelashes are coming off. I'm like walking like this. You don't have to worry about that at all with these lashes. I am gonna go test out that waterproof aspect. So I'm gonna go into my bathroom and put some water on these and we'll really see if they stay on. Splash some water on these. What do we think? I think they're still on. All right, I tried my best to insert a clip of my lashes getting wet. They're wet, but they are still on. Wow. Oh my gosh, yeah, these really live up to their claims. Okay, now I'm just going to show you how I'll remove them. So just taking my little tool, gently grab the segment. And did you see how quickly that came off? And here it is. No natural lashes came off at all. There was no pulling. That was so easy. And then I'm just gonna put it right back in the case here and it sticks back on for easy storage. Wow, those come off so easily, which is so surprising since, as you saw, it's super secure. Another thing, since they are sections like this, makes it so painless to remove because it's not like you're ripping it off of the whole eye. Wow. The most gentle removal process, so I don't have to worry about any of my precious natural lashes coming off with it. So I just put the lashes back in here. Oh, my eyes look so bland now without my beautiful false lashes. But as you saw, it's so quick to just reapply and so easy. And I love this tool, so fast and precise to remove the lashes. Okay, so now that I love the Moitie Lashes and the Magic Stick eyeliner, which is still intact right now, I want to just tell you a little bit more information about this brand. So first of all, something I love, they donate 1% of their proceeds to Global Fund of Women. So I love a charitable company, so I love supporting companies like this. They are also 100% cruelty-free and vegan, all safe ingredients. It says you can get at least 30 uses out of these lashes, which, oh my gosh, do you get your money's worth? And that's because there's no glue involved. So like you saw when I took them off, they're completely clean. There's no glue stuck to them, so I love that aspect as well. And then it's not like I have any glue stuck to my lashes either. So everything about this product is amazing. I have no complaints. It's such an amazing design. So I'm really excited that I got to partner with them on this video and show you this product because I truly love it and I can't wait to wear these whenever I want to add lashes and add glam and easily and comfortably amp up my eye makeup. So in the comments down below, let me know what you think of these. Are these a product that you would want to try, or if you have tried them, let me know your thoughts on them. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.